Goedemiddag, klantservice Mars, waarmee kan ik het in dienst zijn?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes?
Okay, I had a question about my about the cat foods I bought for my cats, and they don't want to eat it, and one of my cats got ill about that, and I tasted, and it was not really good. So can you maybe direct me to somebody?
Okay, one moment please. I will transfer you.
Okay, thank you.
Mensen, goedemiddag, u spreekt met Iris.
Hello.
Hallo?
I had a question about cat food from Whiskas,
Ja?
and my cats don't want to eat it, and two of my cats got ill about that, or fell sick, and I tasted it. It was not really good, and I just had a question
You
about.
take it yourself?
Yes, to check if it was.
Yeah? Okay.
And
Yeah.
yeah, that was like. It was not really nice.
Is this the first time?
Yes, it
It's
was
the first time they ate Whiskas?
Yes. One of my cats don't, but the,
Goedemiddag, klantservice Mars, waarmee kan ik het in dienst zijn?
hello. I was just talking to somebody of Consumentum. I don't know how to say it in Dutch. And she rudely hung up on me. Can you please read that?
Okay, one moment please.
Thank you.
I can't, you can't give us some batch code numbers, and you can't give us more information, or you can't give and send us the bags, so I can't check it.
Thank you. You're very nice. Thank you. You were very nice to me. You're better than the other woman I got.
Yeah, you called the wrong agency. Sorry about that.
Oh, okay.
You didn't call the number on the package. You called another number.
Oh.
So, and they don't know anything about the food of itself.
Okay.
But do you can I get your address and your name? What is your name, Mr.?
My name is Hajit.
Can you spell it for me?
H.
Yes.
I.
Yes.
A.
A.
D.
Sorry.
D.
D. Yes.
Yes.
And your postcode and your home number is?
Postcode? What is postcode?
Yeah, your address.
Oh,
You've got a home number?
Yes, yes.
What is your home number?
30, wait, what was it? 32.
22. And then you
No,
have
30,
postcode.
32.
32.
Postcode.
And then you have a postcode.
Postcode? Can you explain to me what the postcode is?
Four letters.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I know that. Letters. Okay, it was A, D, B, K.
No, you have 4 numbers and 2 letters.
Oh, okay. It was 5.
Sorry?
5.
Four numbers and 2 letters is what I need.
So 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are you talking to me? Because I don't understand you now.
Yes, I'm talking to you. It is 428
Yeah, but what are the 4 letters? You have your street name with your home number, and then you have your postcode with your place where you live.
Oh, my place where I live is Amsterdam.
Yeah, but before, when I send you a letter, I have to give also a postcode. The four letters and the 4 numbers and 2 letters before Amsterdam is.
Wait, is it
You know
is it
it's
is it
beginning
two?
with 1 O in Amsterdam.
Is it 4 letters or 4 numbers, or 2 letters, 2 numbers? I don't get it anymore.
Now it's four numbers and 2 letters.
Okay, it's 0.
It's starting with 1 0 in
Yes,
Amsterdam.
yes, 1094.
And 9 and then
War.
0 again.
No, 4.
4. And
No,
then 2 letters.
7. Sorry, my 7.
109.
Yes, 7.
7. And there are 2 letters.
Yes,
There
I
is
enter.
I.
Enter.
What is the
P,
street
P,
name where
the
you
P,
living?
the P. Street name is Jan Hendrikstraat.
Jan Hendrikstraat.
Okay.
Okay. 32.
Yes.
And which viscose did you use? Did you know that? Is it with meat or with
Yes, it was
fish?
It was chicken with kind of sauce. I don't know the name anymore. Yo sauce or something like yo. I don't know.
There was chicken in it.
Yes, it was chicken blocks with yogurt sauce.
Okay. And it was the sauce.
Yes, I don't know what kind of sauce it was. It was really weird sauce.
Okay. Now I will send you a new package so that you can try it again. And yeah, what I want to tell you is that you 08.
Yes, 05. Yes.
00
00
733
743.
2 threes.
Oh, okay. 2 and then 3. Okay.
No. 0800
Oh, I have 05. Sorry, 08. Okay. 0802733. Oh, okay. 00. Okay. And then
is 44
wait. 080044.
7.
Oh,
No, oh,
7 7.
Again from the beginning.
Okay.
0800
Yes.
73
Yes.
34
4. Yes.
47
4 5. And then
33.
3. Okay. 080073344533.
No, on the end is 733.
Oh, 743. Okay, I have now.
Yeah, but I will send you a new box.
Wait.
And
Okay, I want to check.
Find the number also.
Okay, check the number. Okay, 080073344743. That's the number. Okay, or
no, it's 3.
I'm now very confused. What is it? 3 after that? 4333.
080073344733.
Oh, okay, sorry, I was really confused. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna call that
Yeah?
number. Okay.
And I will send you a new package so you can try it.